Okay, so here we have 2017 Honda with dent right through the body line. So we're going to start off with a really soft tip to move most of this dent out, and then we'll graduate down to a smaller size and start working this body line. It's somewhat cold today, so we should be keeping it warm anyways, but this just keeps the paint flexible. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to relieve a little bit of pressure, so there's a little bit of a crown here and up top. And simply is what that is, it just trapped pressure, so when this body line moved in, that metal moved out and created a crown. So when we relieve that pressure, the middle of that dent will come up a little bit easier for us. Alright, so now you can see where we're at right now. Almost there. Okay, so all finished up here with this Honda Civic, and it turned out really nice. It was right through the body line, and like I said, that's the toughest part of this panel, and relieving that pressure took a little bit of time, but it came out really good. Take a look.